Colorado congressman wants to make the price of health care more transparent.
Ed Perlmutter has introduced a bill that would make it easier to find the true cost of everything from surgeries to office visits. Our political specialist Sean Boyd talked to the congressman. Sounds like a lot of patients don't really know what they're in for until it's too late.
Yeah, it's amazing, right, that we can comparison shop for everything out there but health care. Colorado is ahead of other states when it comes to transparency. A state law requires some public disclosure of health care pricing. But Congressman Perlmutter says that information should be available nationwide.
$330 per vial.
A diabetic, Gail DeVore, is forced to navigate the healthcare system maze daily.
Every day is another adventure in dealing with insurance and suppliers and pharmacies and manufacturers.
All of whom she says have cryptic cost structures that make comparison shopping impossible.
There's no true free market involved in healthcare.
But that's changing in Colorado.
So if you're looking for, the lowest price, you can sort it by the lowest price.
The Center for Improving Value in Healthcare, a nonprofit, released a hospital pricing list 3 years ago for 13 imaging procedures. It's now expanding the list to include everything from cataract surgery to knee replacement to a C-section. The price is based on what insurance companies pay the hospital.
You could pay as little as $300 and as much as $8,000.
As $8,000
for the same procedure.
For the same exact procedure.
In addition to price, you can also search by patient experience.
This is one of the first opportunities that we actually get to be in the driver's seat of our own health and health care and where we select to go.
Colorado, one of only a half dozen states that provides the public data. Congressman Ed Perlmutter has introduced legislation that would require it nationwide.
You should know going in, if this is a normal, routine kind of a thing, what it's going to cost coming out. The goal is that you could do a little shopping.
It would be such a great move forward for consumers to know exactly what these prices are.
Perlmutter has a Republican co-sponsor for his bill, so he is hopeful about passage. If you'd like to access the public pricing data in Colorado, we have provided a link to the website on CBSDenver.com, and by the end of January, you will be able to comparison shop for 36 different common procedures. And eventually, they want to get the prescription drug data up on that website.
Nice to see there's some shopping available
I think a lot of people don't even know this exists, but we've got the link on CBSDenver.com.
Thanks, Sean.